Option 1 Plumbing provides the most environmentally friendly trenchless plumbing repair alternative called CIPP, or Cured in Place Pipe Repair. First, a small camera is inserted into your sewer system to identify any scale, cracks, or root intrusion. Then the pipes are cleaned by a process called hydrojetting, which uses highly pressurized water to push out all roots and scale buildup, leaving pipes ready for epoxy coating. Once completed, we are ready to line your sewer lateral. A piece of flexible liner is cut to fit the entire length of the pipe. Next, an epoxy mixture is poured directly into the liner opening. Then a roller is used to ensure every inch of liner is fully saturated with resin. The prepped liner is then coiled inside an inversion drum. Then the starting end of the liner is securely taped to the inverter drum nozzle, making an airtight seal. Air pressure pushes or inverts the liner into the pipe all the way down through the interior. Next, a calibrated balloon-like tube, or cal tube, is inverted into the epoxy liner and is filled with air, pressing the epoxy liner against the interior of the damaged pipe. The liner is then allowed to cure in place for 4 to 7 hours. When the liner is fully cured, the cal tube is deflated and removed, leaving behind a fully rehabilitated pipe. Without digging up your property, Trenchless sewer repair will reinforce and strengthen your existing pipes to last decades. If you would like to learn more about our trenchless sewer rehabilitation process, give us a call today at 1-800-905-7115 or visit our website at www.option1plumbing.com.